a day keeps the doctor away.
If you're happy or number blocks.
Banana.
If you're happy or number blocks. If you're happy.
Bananas can float in water because they contain air.
Come on,
Grapes.
kids, let's start to count. Fruits are
Grapes can be green, red, purple, black, and even golden.
count fruits. 1, 2, and
Cherry.
1.
Cherry trees can live a long time, for 50 to 100 years.
3 green
Mango.
in a bunch. 4 juicy
Mango is called the king of fruits in Pakistan and India.
6 strawberries
Kiwi.
with a grin. 7 mangoes
Kiwi has more vitamin C than an orange.
and mellow.
Strawberry.
Happy or number blocks. If
Strawberries used to be a symbol of love and purity.
happy or number blocks. If you're happy.
Pineapple.
9 plums all in a
Pineapple plants produce only one fruit at a time.
Now we've counted. Wasn't that fun? Fruits and numbers, learning's begun.
Watermelon. Watermelon is made of about 92% water.
Happy or number blocks. If you're happy or number blocks.
Blueberry.
You're happy.
Blueberries are one of the only foods that are naturally blue in color.
Sing again.
Papaya.
Fruits and
One small papaya can provide more than 100% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin C.
you're happy or number
Raspberry.
If you're happy or number
1 cup of raspberries contains about 8 grams of fiber. Orange. 1 orange has as much fiber as 7 cups of cornflakes.
number blocks. If you're happy or number blocks.
Pear.
If you're
Because of their soft, melting texture, they were once called butterfruit.
Come on, kids, let's start to count. Fruits are fun in every
Peach.
amount.
A medium
Clap
peach
your
has
hands
only
and
about
sing
37
again.
to
Let's
60
count
calories
fruits.
and is
1,
high
2,
in
and
fiber.
1 red apple, round and sweet.
Pomegranate.
2 bananas.
They are
what
packed
a
with
treat.
antioxidants,
3 green
fiber,
grapes
and
in a
vitamins
bunch.
A,
4 juicy
C,
pears, 2
K,
packed
and
for
B5.
lunch. 5 bright oranges
Apricot.
rolling in. 6 strawberries with
They
a
are high in
grin.
vitamins
7
A and C,
mangoes soft
promote
and yellow.
heart-eye
8
health.
ripe peaches, sweet and
Plum.
yellow.
A single plum can provide 14% of your daily required vitamin C. Dragon fruit. It is low in calories, but rich in fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C.
Watermelons, big and fine. Now we've counted.
Guava.
Fun, fruits and
Guava
numbers,
contains
learning's
4
begun.
times more vitamin C than oranges.
If you're happy or number blocks.